KTM has unveiled the 2025 model of the 450 SMR Supermoto bike. This model includes updates from the 450 SXF motocross bike, featuring a new frame, improved suspension, and better ergonomics. The 450 SMR is equipped with a new 48mm WP XACT front fork and a rear shock derived from KTM's factory team. Additionally, the footrests have been redesigned to be smaller, increasing the lean angle and reducing the risk of catching on curbs. Electronic aids include traction control, a quickshifter, and launch control. The bike weighs 239.9 pounds and is expected to hit North American dealerships in November.